Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Finding good profitable books on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you 5 coloring book niche that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. So you can create a good quality cover and a good manuscript, and then you can earn good passive income. So our first niche is wedding wedding coloring books. Second হচ্ছে our first niche is wedding coloring books, and second cities, houses, castles coloring book. Cities, house, castle coloring book. And our third niche is midnight stoner coloring book. And our fourth niche is new year coloring book. And our last and final fifth niche is mushroom coloring book. So there are 5 coloring books niche here. First of all, wedding coloring books. Second one is cities, house, castle coloring book. And third one is midnight stoner coloring book. And the fourth one is a new year coloring book. And fifth one is mushroom coloring book. So all are niche, very profitable. So when you select this niche, please check copyright and trademark, and you can safely use this niche in your work. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon, so when I can share more niche, more ideas with you to develop KDP self-publishing business. So please like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much. Thank you all.